Union commercial electricians install, maintain, inspect, and repair electrical systems in commercial buildings. Some of the duties of an electrician include installing wiring and electrical components like switches and lights, maintaining electrical systems, inspecting electrical systems to be sure that they work, are safe, and are up to code, fixing problems in wiring or electrical components, and planning electrical systems for new construction projects. If you enjoy working in different environments and like hands-on projects, the electrical trade may be the career for you.
Electrical is tied into everything. We are usually one of the first that's on a project, besides guys who deal with the ground, digging and setting up, stuff like that. We're usually one of the first ones, and we're usually one of the last to leave. And it interconnects with so many different things where you get to see the other trades do what they do. And so you learn a lot about those other trades. They make it look really easy, but you learn a lot about what they do, why they do, and how your stuff interweaves in between. So electrical is I call it the thinking man's trade, because there are so many little things that you learn about that you end up using without thinking about it.
I absolutely would encourage any high schooler that wants to do anything in construction to do it right away. The benefits are just through the roof.
It's absolutely fun because once you get in the swing of things, you guys are cracking jokes, but as you see it progress, like even the lights that are around us right now, you just see it go from being super dark or super old and crusty to a hollow shell to, okay, it's in but it's not on, to, whoa, it's really bright and let me put this lens on, to, wow, that looks finished and it looks great. And now I can say I did that.